What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift, and we're back at it again with another banger video. And as you guys can see, man, on this fine, lovely Sunday morning, we're doing a little POV drive for y'all. We're gonna try to turn y'all up in this video, cut up through traffic, if there is traffic. There should be, but it's whatever. I'm gonna let y'all hear the engine, man. I ain't gonna do too much talking. So once again, this is a 2019 Dodge Charger RT. We are in track mode. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna try to make her scream for y'all as I try to do every POV. But yeah, sit back, grab a snack, and enjoy this video, man. We gonna turn y'all up. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull real quick. Downshift. She moving, bro. Put the windows up. Hopefully y'all don't hear too much of the wind. Right now I got a certain place to be, or a specific place to be, so I ain't gonna make this video too long. I ain't gonna lie, I'm pretty hungry. I might grab some eats or some shit. Make sure if y'all tuned into this video, man, I meant to say this in the beginning, but make sure y'all smash that like button. Definitely subscribe, because 90% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So smash that subscribe button. Share this out to your family and friends, and comment. And most importantly, turn on post notices, man. Y'all got to make sure y'all stay in tune with my channel. I drop banger videos about once or twice a week. So turn on post notifications, man. Be the first person to smash that like button and comment. It's free to support your boy, man. Damn, she moving. As y'all see, I brought back the cold start intros. A lot of people have been telling me to bring back the cold start intros, so I brought that back for y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, don't sleep on these RTs, bro. They might be slow to y'all, but just test drive one. If you're in the market for one, or if you looking at one or whatever the hell, just test drive it, man. Give it a little test drive. Let me know what y'all think. RT is pretty cool to me. I fuck with them, I ain't gonna lie. Now y'all hear that whine? Damn. That whine sound crazy. Oh, I'm about to pass the line and shit. I'm drawing. But as you see, man, cloudy Sunday morning, man. It is currently 11:18 a.m. I just decided to pick my camera up, give y'all a little POV. It's been a minute since I dropped the video. I've been bullshitting, I ain't gonna lie, but I'm definitely gonna start dropping videos a lot more. Feel me? I ain't giving up this YouTube shit. Just know that, man. We gonna turn y'all up every video. Even if I do drop once a week, twice a week, still gonna turn y'all up no matter what. Damn, bro, I'm all over the line and shit. I'm drawn. It's cool. I'm gonna give y'all a launch real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the launch control. Hopefully I can get to it fast. Launch control. Alright. Y'all think I'm gonna spin out? Fuck. That might be a cop behind me too. Right there, I ain't gonna lie. That was a cop. Damn, good thing I ain't do that shit. That was a cop. Let me chill. I'm gonna make a separate video on strictly launch control, so I don't want to get caught by a 12. I don't know where, feel me? I don't want to get caught lacking, feel me? I don't know where these niggas be. It was a black cop though, but still, it was 12. We don't fuck with 12. All right, hold on. We gotta make a turn right here. Sharp turn. Should I spin this shit? Why not? Say nah. I ain't gonna spin nothing. Damn, bro, my GPS tweaking, cuz. Bro, why is it Give me 1 second, y'all. My GPS been tweaking out. All right, y'all, we back on the road, man. My GPS is tweaking. I do not know where I'm going. But let me put the windows down so y'all can hear the engine real quick. What a beautiful Sunday morning. Damn, bro. Let me know if y'all want me to keep dropping these POV drives. I be trying not to flood my channel with a whole bunch of POVs, but a lot of people have been telling me like, yo, do POV drives, do POV drives. So I guess I'm gonna continue to do them until y'all get tired of them. But it's only gonna go up from here. It's only gonna go up from here. So my next POV might be a whole bunch of scats. So stay tuned, man. Turn on post notice. Oh yeah, and by the way, if y'all wondering where I got these paddle shifters from, these are not stock paddle shifters. I got these from Grid Ready. If y'all ain't check out my video, this is my sponsor, by the way. GRIDREADY. I'm gonna put their link in the description below. So make sure y'all go fuck with them, man. Tap in with these paddle shifters. They feel 10 times better than the stock ones, in my opinion. And they're extended. God. Oh my God. Oh, we got 12. Don't bust the Yui. I'm taking off on your ass. Say nah. Let me chill out. Let me chill out. Yo, my GPS tweaking again. Shit frozen. Hold on, y'all. Let me fix it again, bro. All right, we good, y'all. Back in business. Why this dude on my ass, bro? This nigga on my ass. What you want to do? What you want to do? I'm going to slow down. Since you want to be on my ass. That's why you're getting boxed in. Look, this nigga on my right. And this motherfucker on my ass. Oh, you think you're getting around, huh? Get boxed in, big head. Oh my God. Alright, I think we safe to do a little launch control. I don't think 12 gonna be behind me anymore. But let me take a look real quick. Actually, no, I probably shouldn't do it. Cause like if I spin out and shit, feel me, I don't want to hit that car or this car behind me. So let me chill. Plus I got a whole bunch of cars behind me too, so we gonna chill. Oh my God. Is that a Shelby GT? Fuck Mustang. Fuck Mustang. We won't bang with them niggas. Fuck Mustang. I need to see a Hellcat right now, bro. I need to be in a Hellcat. I'm gonna be in one day. It's cool. It's whatever. Damn, bro. This light taking long as shit. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Maybe I should do a launch control. Nah, let me chill. Let me chill. I feel like I'm gonna spin out. And a cop. I feel like if I do a launch control right now, I'm gonna spin out, and a fucking cop is gonna spawn. Like he's literally just gonna spawn behind me somewhere. So let me chill. I'm gonna do a separate video on the launch control though, for sure. I can give y'all a little pull real quick. Oh my God. Oh my God. GPS tweaking, but luckily I know where the hell I'm going, man. I ain't gonna lie, I might stop at Dunkin' Donuts. Grab me some eats real quick. I'm gonna wait till later. I'm gonna wait till later, man. I might give y'all a little launch control real quick though. Hold on, look. I'm gonna give y'all launch control. Damn, I think it's a speed bump in front of me. Fuck. I'm gonna do a separate video. I'm gonna just chill. I'm gonna chill. You know what? I can do it right here. It's cool. Wait, now hold on. This car might come behind me. Yep. Dick eating. Dick eating. Dick eating. Just trying to give y'all a little launch control, but this dumbass car wanna come behind me. So y'all not gonna get it. Y'all just gonna have to wait. Turn on post notifications. I'm gonna do a separate video on that. And I'm done trying to do it because every time I try to do it, it's always something. Oh my God. Fuck it. I'm eating the stop sign. I don't normally do that, but my God, that was an old RT or some shit. I don't know what the fuck that was. My fault if my camera glitching out a little bit. My phone keep getting hot. Matter of fact, we can do the launch control. All right, look, y'all. Launch control. Real quick. Oh, fuck. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Here we go. All right, we're going to launch at 1,500 RPMs. So what you got to do is hold the brake. Stomp on that bit. It didn't work like that. I spun out. I don't know. I'll fuck with it another time. Speed bump, though. But, this is a short little quick POV drive. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna end the video here, man. Catch up with my folks. God, what the fuck is that? Hold on, I gotta spin back around. Hold on, I'm gonna spin back around. Before I end this video, I gotta see what the fuck I just saw. I don't know what I just saw, but we about to find out what the hell I just saw. Hold on, let me spin a block real quick. Let me spin a block. Come on, you fucking dumbass Nissan, move. I'm trying to bust a Yui. Alright. Bro, every Jeep owner has that mean look on it. Like, shit's dog shit. Every Jeep Wrangler owner has that grill where it looks like it's mad as shit for no reason. Shit is ass. Anyways, we about to spin back on this. Whatever the fuck. I think I just saw a Charger. I think it was a Charger that was dicked. Like, it looked like a Charger that was just completely dicked. We're about to find out. I think it was right here, wasn't it? It was. Or is it just wrapped? Nah, this bitch hard. What the fuck? Oh, nah. It's a Scatty, too. Damn. Nah, this shit hard. What the fuck? I gotta spin back one more time. He's gonna think I'm probably trying to steal his shit. But, feel me, we in an RT. So, like, he got it. Hold on. I wanna spin back. Oh, yeah, here we go. A little turny John right here. A little turny John. Oh, and a wide body Hellcat in that driveway? Oh, nah, what is going on? Let me get out. I'm so fed right now. Let me get out of this fucking neighborhood, bro. Let me get out of this neighborhood. I got somewhere to be and I'm bullshitting. I done missed so many turns, man. I was trying to record earlier, man, and hold on. I think it's a Scat. It is a Scat. That bit hard. That shit hard. All right, I'm getting out of this fucking neighborhood, man. I'm tweaking. I'm being federal, man. But if y'all know who got that Scat, tag them in a comment section below. Or tell them that I said that shit's fucking hard. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video here, man. I'm bullshitting. Make sure y'all smash that like button. Definitely subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notice. But once again, it's Lord Shift. And we out.